Y'all, I am part of a collab. Dip Simber maybe, or Dip something another. I have to look it up. There's so many collabs. I'll be honest with you, it just all runs together in my mind. But I got it on my email, and I'm going to go back and get it right. Some of y'all complained, and you know who you are, about the last collab I was in, Noodle November, where my daughter actually done the cooking. And you know, how did I convince her to do that? I'm good. That's all it is to it. I know how to get things done. But this time I thought about it, I said, well, you know, people are, they're not wanting me to talk my daughter into doing my work for me. So I decided this time I was going to do something different, and I got my wife to do it. But her name's in the name of our channel, so that counts, even though she just had knee surgery. I got a stool for her to sit on. Y'all give it a watch.
I'm making a buffalo chicken dip, and it calls for a big can of chicken. We're just going to use chicken that we've canned.
That's about 2 cups of chicken.
And then 8-ounce cream cheese, which I've already kind of mashed because I no longer have a mixer. And then I have a half a cup of...
Wait a minute, hold on. Why don't you have a mixer?
Because we can't find the beaters.
we think we left them in Tennessee.
Got left in Tennessee from our last trip, which is not good. Half a cup of ranch dressing. Half a cup of buffalo sauce. It can be whatever brand. It's just buffalo sauce.
What is that? Sweet Baby Ray's?
Yes.
Some Sweet Baby Ray's.
And then cheese for the top. This is a very easy recipe. It doesn't take but just a few minutes. All you have to do is mix all this together and bake it. So I'm going to, since I don't have a blender, I'm going to pour my ranch dressing and my buffalo sauce in here and try to get this cream cheese to the right consistency.
Just mix her on up. In the meantime, we've got the oven preheating 350 for how long?
Until the cheese melts.
We're going to do that until the cheese melts.
Now add my chicken.
This is our own canned chicken, by the way.
It's probably too much, but
no, it's just right, just the right amount. And you just mix that all up together.
Okay, then you just pour it in your dish.
Ta-da! How simple is that, folks?
Get my spatula so I can get that. Okay, and it's that easy. You just spread it in here.
Spread it in there.
And you top it with cheese.
We just got whatever cheese we had in the refrigerator. And that's what it looks like topped with cheese. We're going to put that open, uncovered.
Uncovered, you just put it in the oven until all the cheeses melt.
Yahoo, I'll get it, Mom. Well, we have taken the dip out of the oven. And that's what it looks like.
And I usually just serve it with...
Hold on, let me get the camera on you.
I usually just serve it with either Fritos, like the scoops, or the Tostito chips. And it's really good.
Really good.
My family loves it. She's
taking it to a party. She's going to go party, y'all. She's party hardy with all the church ladies.
With all my energy.
Alrighty, hope y'all enjoyed, and if you make it, you won't regret it.